Happy Tuesday, everybody. Wanted to show off a new feature that we've got in SAM up in the upper right-hand corner. Because you're getting this, it actually should be up here and it should show a little red number. It'll be the number of notifications that you've got. In this case, I haven't actually done it yet, so you guys won't see it in yours unless you've gone through the process of just refreshing your screen. But the little notification button, you can click on it and it will show you both the user notifications, which those are uh, you as the logged in user, any notifications that are to you, or system notifications is everybody in your team, basically a notification. Now, we have the ability, the SAM team has the ability to send system notifications to you as well. So at any time that we have something that we want to tell you about, you'll see a notification from us as well. Um, Down in the lower left-hand corner is a send notification. So we can click on send notification and it'll bring up to a recipients area. You can choose who you want to send it to, either to the system. And if you choose system at that point, you can't choose anybody else. If you choose an individual, you can put them in the list and actually you can pick multiple people. Maybe you want to send notifications to more than one person, but not everybody. In that case, the system, you shouldn't use the system. In that case, it'll just go to those two people. If you do choose system after somebody's selected, it will take those selected names away because system is for everybody, basically. No need in choosing. So if I pick a couple people here, Cody and myself, and we can put in a title. Now, if you leave the title blank, it'll just say new notification. It won't be anything exciting, but maybe we wanted to say Happy Tuesday and put that in there, and then some kind of notification. Just wanted to say hello to everyone. Um, Actually, this isn't to everyone, to Mark and Cody. Okay, in this case. And we click on send. Whenever you do that, up here at the top, you'll see the little notification. It'll just be a little notification bell. You click on that and it'll take you to, and you can see the tabs that we were just talking about, the user notifications. There's one of them in there. There's the Happy Tuesday, just a notification, and there's nothing in there. Now, you can, if you've got a bunch of them, you've maybe looked at them or something, you just want to mark them all as read, you can do that. Or if you click on it, it will take you into that notification item, and you'll be able to then read it or whatever. If it'll automatically mark it as read whenever you come in here, and then you also have the ability to archive your own personal messages. Only the account owner can archive the system messages. But it's certainly there. Now, one thing that this does allow, so if I come over here and I'm just going to put in, this time I'm going to do a system message and you YouTube link, and I'm just going to put in, please, spell right, please watch this. And then I'm going to paste in a URL. This is just a YouTube link, but you can put in any number of links in the message itself. Click on send. And what that will do then is in the system side, you'll see that there is a message for everybody. Everybody in the account will get this. And then whenever you click on that, it'll open it up, and there will be a link there that you can click on and then open and view. So a lot of real good potential here. What you can do is use this for a little bit, see if there's anything else that you want. What we're going to be doing with this, and this is the part that isn't finished yet, but it is definitely on its way, is the ability to include the little at and then a user's name in a note, and then that note would then become a notification in the notification side. And then we'll also be adding the notifications into the routines. So as routines are kicking off and doing stuff, you can send a notification either to a user or to everybody. So those two features are yet to be finished, but they'll be on their way. But again, we do have the ability to send system messages to you guys as users and get notifications, including links to videos and stuff like that. So hope this is helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, certainly reach out. We're here for you um, uh, to help you, and hope this actually does help. So you guys have a great Tuesday. Bye.